It was in eco mode and now it's in 1. Let's see if that does anything different. Oh fuck, 1 is the like walking mode, I think. Yeah, 2 is okay. Okay. Let's see if I can get the tires to peel. Nice. There was a little peel out. The delay and the throttle is crazy though. Like mine is like fucking instant. This has the infamous dead zone, which mine doesn't have, I think. Let's go on the grass here. It corners magnificently despite the big size and weight. Bro, when you're on this, you don't even feel like it weighs 100 pounds. Let me do a little jump. Really putting this bad boy to the test, bro. The front suspension, very nice. The what are these called? Hydraulic front fork suspension.